How to use tennis balls to relieve lower back pain. A few tennis balls and a sock used correctly can reach the deepest layers of muscle and connective tissue and allow muscles to stretch and contract fully. A tennis ball's proper placement and usage can relieve discomfort and pain. Tennis balls act like foam rollers and massage the lower back. How tennis balls relieve lower back pain. The massaging effect of a tennis ball reduces the hyperactivity of the nerves in the lower back, reducing the pain signals sent to the brain. A tennis ball can also help reduce tension in the muscles and connective tissues, improve the functioning of blood vessels and increase blood flow, promote the flow of healing nutrients and nourishment, release endorphins to reduce the overall perception of pain. A tennis ball massage can relax and heal the lower back tissues and help loosen muscles before a workout or stretching. It's beneficial to keep at least 2 tennis balls at hand to help relieve the tension of the lower back or leg muscles. 3 Way to use a tennis ball to relieve lower back pain. The placement of the tennis ball and how it rolls determines whether it's beneficial to relieving lower back pain. It's essential to listen to the body if a particular placement or movement hurts more than an ache or sore. Change positions. 1. Apply concentrated pressure. You may either lie on the floor or sit in a chair during this tennis ball technique. Place the tennis ball under your lower back, buttocks, or upper thighs. Apply pressure by lying on top of the tennis balls or pressing your back against the chair. Move around gently until the tennis ball presses against the sore muscle group. Do not tool the ball directly over the spine. If there is sharp or sudden pain, then stop immediately. 2. Double tennis ball massage. 2 tennis balls need to be duct taped together until they look like a peanut. Once they are in the right shape, you have a DIY massager. Follow the instructions below. Place the 2 tennis balls on the ground and lie on your back with your knees bent. The tennis ball needs to be above your lower back and parallel to your hips. Make sure each tennis ball is positioned on either side of the spinal column. This placement should make you feel balanced and comfortable. Once you and the tennis ball are in the proper position, raise both arms straight above you with your fingers pointed toward the ceiling. Slowly lower each arm one at a time toward your head, making sure to bend your neck gently backward with the movement. Repeat this action with each arm 4 times. 3. Roll tennis ball under each foot. Rolling a tennis ball under your feet from toe to heel and focusing on applying pressure to the inner arch of the sole is another effective way to relieve lower back pain. This tennis ball technique stretches the hamstring, calf muscles and provides immediate lower back pain relief. When rolling the tennis ball under the feet, press as hard as tolerable but avoid pain. Perform this massage for 2 to 4 minutes at a time.